How to change the crosshair to cursor and vice versa in AutoCAD. Solution. This feature is controlled by cursor type system variable. By default its value is 0. When the value is 0, the AutoCAD crosshair is displayed. When the value is 1, the Windows cursor is displayed. See how it works. Type cursor type. You can see its default value is 0. Which display the AutoCAD crosshair. Add a linear dimension. You can see crosshair is displayed. Draw a circle. You can see crosshair is displayed. Type cursor type. And change its value to 1. You can see Windows cursor is displayed now. Add a linear dimension. You can see Windows cursor is displayed. Draw a circle. You can see Windows cursor is displayed. Type again cursor type. Change its value to 0. You can see crosshair is displayed. Draw a circle. You can see crosshair is displayed. Thanks for watching.